If your Microsoft Teams microphone isn't working, here are the quickest ways to fix it. First, make sure you're not muted. This is simple but often overlooked. If the mic still doesn't work, check your Teams settings. Open Microsoft Teams, click the mic drop-down menu in the top right, check it here, or go to More Audio Settings. Alternatively, click the three-dot menu in the top right, go to Settings, then Devices. Under Microphone, choose the correct mic from the drop-down and make a test call to confirm it's working. If that doesn't fix it, open your system's audio settings on Windows or Mac and make sure your headphones are selected as both the input and output device. Next, update Microsoft Teams. Open the main menu and click Check for Updates. If an update is available, it will install automatically. You can also switch to the web version of Teams. Open Teams in your browser, sign in, and choose Use the web app instead. If your mic isn't detected in the browser, click the lock icon next to the URL, open Site Settings, and set your microphone to Allow. If the issue still continues, or if none of these methods work, reinstall the Teams app completely. I hope this helped you fix your Microsoft Teams microphone issue. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.